Namaste. Hello everyone. How are you today? My name is Sneha Mishra and today in our Matra series, our is a vowels number 4. Badi E, the big E. Why it's big? Because it's take long time to pronounce and choti E, less time. And it was the sound difference. And what is a writing difference in choti and badi? It is when you write choti ki matra, so on the letter matra come from the right side. Matra come from the right side. On choti e means the third vowels, and on badi e matra will goes to the left side. It will goes to the left side. Okay, this is a writing difference. So yesterday along with choti ki matra I have told you how to use in sentence. We have covered it fully. Please do watch it. And today our focus is on badi e ki matra. So while explaining this badi e ki matra, we'll see how to use it, how to separate it. If in between I get something grammar related things, definitely I will keep on explaining that thing also. Okay, so let's begin. So first thing first, e ki matra. Again I have to off this light. I don't like this circle, it comes in between now. Yeah, I know light is little less. Now I think word will be more clear. Now I hope you are able to see it clearly. Yeah, it is coming. So now you will see here. See, E ki matra. Okay, I'm not able to see myself even. Okay, now fine. Okay, so how to use? Okay, when you're making it separate, it will go like this: da plus e. Okay, badi e, da plus e ki matra. So it will become dadi. Dadi means your grandmother. Okay, father's mom called dadi, and mother's mom called nani. Okay, so grandmother, and it matra will always goes to right side. Okay, no, sorry. It will go to the left side. It will go to left side. Okay, it will go to left side, and choti ki matra will come from the right side. Now let's see the words related to it. See, meetha. When I'm pronouncing it, when I'm saying it, I'm saying meetha. Okay, not mitha. Okay, meetha. Nicely, peacefully, we take a time. Meetha. Meetha, the pronunciation I have written means sweet. Alsi. Alsi. Lazy. Peela. Peela, yellow. Then seedhi, ladder. Seedhi. Then chalis, it's a number. Chalis, 40. Pani, basic necessity of our life, need, importance. Pani, water. Pani, water. Nadi, nadi, river. Nadi, river. So these are very simple word. If you have visited my channel, you will see whatever I'm teaching, I'm putting notes also related to this, and very soon I'm going to give you many words related to each matra, which you can see them with pronunciation, which will help you for writing any notes or anything if you want to do, and for your basic daily Hindi words also. Now we have seen these words, we have seen the pronunciation, and we saw the English meaning also. Let's take 2-3 examples how to use them in a sentence. So, मुझे पीला रंग पसंद है. मुझे पीला रंग पसंद है. Oh, I can say मैंने पीली शर्ट पहनी है. What is a shirt in Hindi? We saw it yesterday, we learned it yesterday. Shirt means kameez. Okay, so I like yellow color. मुझे पीला रंग पसंद है. I like yellow color. Now मेरी दादी माँ सुंदर है. मेरी दादी माँ सुंदर है. My grandmother is beautiful. My grandmother is a beautiful. Then आलसी मत बनो. आलसी मत बनो. Do not be a lazy. Like my channel, subscribe my channel, do some comment. Do not be lazy. आलसी मत बनो. Okay. Now I want to show you one thing here. I have explained in one of my reel. You will see when I say मुझे पीला रंग पसंद है. Did you see here? Here one है is written. There is no dot. Then I'm saying मेरी दादी माँ सुंदर है. Why I'm using dot here? Here I use the same sentence. It is ending with hai na. Here hai. But why did I use for using sentence for my grandmother? I have used with a dot hai, and for myself I did not use. Why? Yes, please do visit and check. Hai without dot is used for the common friends, for ourselves, for singular form. Okay, for एक वचन जिसको बोलते हैं singular number. And hai with a dot we use for giving respect to someone and for the plural form. So here Dadi is not a plural, but she is elder than me, so it's my duty to give her a respect. That's why I'm using here hen. Okay, so I think I have covered my ek ki matra words, and if you have any doubt related to any word, or you want me to give example with many words, not only the few examples which I'm picking, please do let me know. So for today, thank you so much. And I have started posting daily 50 words related to different field, like 10 word is what word we are using on our day-to-day life, for kitchen related, education related, travel related, our health, fruits, colors, many things. Please do watch, and if you want anything which you want me to cover in my session, please do let me know. Okay, धन्यवाद. शुभ रात्रि.